Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are writing a research paper, today I'm going to show you how to get it done quickly and easily with PaperPal. Okay, so the first thing we want to do here is jump into paperpal.com and create an account, and you will be onboarded and you'll be asked just a few questions to try and figure out exactly what you are going to use PaperPal for. Now, on the right-hand side, you will see this menu. So once you've opened this menu, you'll see that there is quite a few options on the right hand side. So here you can actually edit, you can rewrite an existing paper, you can write as well, and then there is the templates section. Now the template section is nice if you don't actually have an idea or you don't have much of an idea just yet. So you can actually go into brainstorm over here and you can actually research what it is that you would like to do a research paper on. And you can speak to PaperPal in just regular, normal conversational language, and it'll help you build your research paper. So what you can then do is go to Research and Cite, and here you can actually type in, let's say, how is AI impacting the education industry in positive and negative ways? Now you can say search papers, and you can go ahead and say search. And essentially what will happen now is it will pull out some papers from the internet with citations and show you the impact of AI in education. So here you can see that there's your citations over here, and you can click on any one of them and actually you can grab these papers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just close this over here, and you can see if you click on this text box, this is basically where you are going to be creating your research paper. Now if you use the slash over here, you will find that there is a draft and outline, and once you open that draft and outline on the right hand side, you'll see we are going to choose a research article, and here we want to add a subject area, and then we want to describe our topic. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to say impact of AI in education, and then we want to describe the topic. So our topic is how AI is impacting the education industry in positive and negative ways. And here we can attach supporting files. So now here, if you want to go ahead and attach maybe one of your existing papers in a PDF format or a docx or an XLSX format, you can go ahead and do that. So let's do so. So we've got this AI report, it's a PDF file over here, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to say generate. So you can see this is our outline, and it is very detailed, and that would probably take us about 2 to 3 hours to get that done. So if you go down over here and you now say insert, you'll see on the left hand side it is now inserted it into where we will be creating our main research paper. Now what we can do is we're going to use the slash again, and we can tell PaperPal what to actually say. Fill in each section. We're going to go and say submit, and now what it's going to do is it's going to take each one of these headings and it's going to write this research paper for us. Now, a small disclaimer: once it is written, the paper, you need to take the time to go through it, make sure that the paper is to your liking, and make sure that there are no mistakes, because AI can make mistakes, and review the paper before you submit it. We now have the option again over here to, let's just close this, to insert. So let's go and say insert. And now we have an entire research paper. Wow, literally in a few seconds.